I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Do you have a 20 pence coin from 1982 in your pocket? In this video, I'll show you a 1982 Elizabeth II 20 penny from the United Kingdom. The first year of publication. Circulating copper nickel coin weighing 5 grams. The shape is an equilateral curve heptagon, or just 7 sides. As a result, the obverse side of a coin depicts the second image of British Queen Elizabeth II, looking right, wearing the tiara of the girls of Great Britain and Ireland. Lettering is etched onto the collar. As you can see, the high points of this coin are slightly worn. There are several wispy ticks on the bust's face. Wear causes the back sections of the tiara to virtually disintegrate into the hair. The majority of contact markings are typically small in size, but their prevalence reduces eye quality. Appeal. Some letters of collar inscriptions have gray-green corroded coatings. The other side has finely carved Gadget pots. The badge's leaves show some little wear. Due to melting, 20p coins are worth somewhat more than their face value in circulating grades. Copper's pricing. Higher uncirculated grades, such as Mint State 65, are valued more than $2.50. Only mistake specimens command high prices. For example, this is one of the most costly 1982 20 pence coins to date. 1982 20p struck at a 1962 6 pence, graded at Mint State 65 by PCGS. It was sold for $400,000 in 2003 at Heritage Auctions.